Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to do screen mirror on Roku TV. Screen mirror is basically if you want to watch your movies on your Roku TV and you're basically kind of sharing screen from either your PC or laptop or your Android or iPhone. So in this video I'll show you how you can do it on Roku TV. So here is the complete process how to screen mirror from your phone, tablet, computer to your Roku streaming device. So make sure to follow this process step by step and you'll be able to do it. And here's the first thing, like how to screen mirror from an Android device. So on your Android device, pull down the status bar and tap smart view. Basically this is when you scroll up from either you are scrolling up from the below side of your mobile phone or from the upper side of your phone, and you'll be able to see this option called smart view. And once you click on smart view, you will be seeing this interface. And once you're here, just make sure to select your Roku device. And once you select your Roku device, follow the instructions as you can see. And once you select your Roku device, you'll be able to screen mirror from Android to the Roku TV. And let's say that you do not find this option called Smart View. So what you can do is just go to Play Store and download any application named Smart View or something like that, which is kind of screen mirroring application, and you will be able to do it from Android. And now let's say you want to share your screen from a Windows 10 computer or any of computer. So first of all, from the taskbar on the Windows device, open the Action Center, and this is basically the Action Center. And once you're in the Action Center, just click on Connect. And once you click on Connect, you will be able to see your Roku device here. So make sure to choose your Roku device, and once you click here, you will be able to connect and share your screen on the Roku TV. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can share your screen from either a computer or laptop or an Android phone, and you can watch all the movies or whatever you want to watch on Roku TV. So that is a simple and easy process.